And again, we're tracing an imaginary link. Oh god, he just jumped down there. Well, go think. Again, if you're too old to use your imagination, get off this video. Oh, he went this way. Get him! He went this way. Oh, he's way too fast. Oh! He went down the hall. Hang on, this is our back hall. We don't want to see, yeah. We don't want you to see this part. Oh, listen. Where is he? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? He went this way.
No, stop it. Just wait, relax, please.
Hey, sorry. Where did he go? Hold on, hold it, Cookie. There it is. I'm trying to chase an imaginary link here.
Upstairs. Put it on the... Where we put the dog leashes on a little table?
Yep. Sure.
Put that up first.
Alright. Now we have to go put up in the mail. Oh, he went up. He went up. He went up the staircase.
Make sure Mama knows where we're at, okay?
Okay. He went up the staircase. He's going up. Yeah. Oh, he went inside. He went inside. He went inside. Mama. Mama. We are going now. Going on a walk. The mail is on your bed along with Daddy's keys. Gotta go. Oh, he went up. He went up. Oh, he's going downstairs again. Oh, God. What the heck? He went this way. He went this way. He went this way. Yeah. It's fun. He keeps going this way. Whoa, he should have shot at me. Oh, I went this way. Ah, he got so low. Oh, he's hiding. I'm okay. Man, this goes fast. Alright. There he is. Go on, get him. Let him. Huh? What'd you say? What? Okay. Next video.